friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you a Diwali recipe. Yes, Diwali is just round the corner, so I have to start getting ready for Diwali, and I cannot forget my subscribers. I promised some of them that I would show them the authentic Maharashtrian way of preparing chakli. So today I'll be showing you how to prepare bhajanichi chakli. Okay, so first we'll divide it into two parts. The first I will show that bhajani flour, what the measurements are, and how we go about the bhajani flour. Once we do the bhajani, then we will go to the chakli ingredients. They are two separate ingredients. Okay. So now what do I need for that bhajani is peat. Of course, a weighing scale, because the measurements are very important here. I have taken rice. It is 630 grams of rice, 320 grams of chana dal. These are both a chana dal, 320 grams. Then this is 150 grams of urid dal. Then this is tur dal, that is 80 grams, and moong dal, thick poha, dhane and jeera. These are all 75 grams. Jeera, dhane, pohe and moong dal are 75. So I've taken an iron wok here. I will take individual ingredients and roast them to golden brown. Like first I will roast the rice, then I will roast the chana dal, whatever you want first, and then mix it. Then I will put it through the blender and make nice flour out of it. Okay? So let's get started. I'll first roast the rice. The rice is of a thick quality. It's not the regular rice that we use. Okay? Okay, I'll be roasting this rice now. We don't want to burn it. Okay? Okay, I've kept the flame on high because I'm stirring it all the time, and I will not allow this to burn. Okay, now you see the rice is nicely roasted. Okay, we don't have to make it brown, so I will remove the rice now. Okay, I've done with the chana dal. You can see I've roasted the chana dal. Now I will go for the urid dal. The minute you start roasting the dal, you get nice aroma. As you can see, I have done with all the dals. 1, 2, 3, 4 dal rice. Okay, they all roasted now. Now I have roasting the coriander seeds, that is dhani, and last is the jeera, and this is the thick poha. Right. The last item is the pohas. I am roasting the pohas. I'll mix all this now together and let it cool down, and then I will dry grinding everything. Okay. Okay, now this has come to room temperature. So now I will blend this. Last. Oh wow. Look at this. This is what we require. So I will blend this in batches, and this is the bhajanicha peat. It's ready. So now I will prepare this bhajanicha flour, keep it in one airtight container, and during Diwali I'll prepare chakli. So I will show you how I proceed further for preparing chakli. Fine? Okay friends, I just showed you how to prepare the bhajanicha peat. Okay, and today I will be preparing the chakli. 500 grams of this bhajani that I showed you. I had to sieve it, and this is the residue that is left. I will use it for thali feed or something. Okay, so this is 500 grams of bhajani flour. Taken it here. Then this is maida. I have taken 300 grams of maida. Then this is chili powder. Chili powder is 35 grams. Then this is salt. Salt is 30 grams. Sesame seeds, that is til, that is 20 grams. Then this is oa, that is ajwain, this is 4 grams. This is hing, that is asafoetida, this is also 4 grams. Hing. So all our dry ingredients are here now. We'll just mix all the dry ingredients. The bhajani flour is already giving that lovely aroma. Okay, so all the dry ingredients are mixed properly. Now I will just heat this oil, and we call it mohan. Mohan, that is hot oil. Okay, so now we have to only add oil and water. Water, even I've measured, oil is 50 grams and water will be 800 grams. Fine. So I'll just heat this oil now. Okay, I've heated this oil now. I'll just please use the spoon while mixing this in this. I'll let this cool for some time. Just cover it for 4 to 5 minutes. Fine. Okay, I'll let this rest for some time. Now it's safe dough, and knead it like you would knead for any other preparation. See, it's still warm. Okay. Okay, you have seen I've mixed the oil with the flour thoroughly. Now I will start adding the water. Oh wow, look at this. Okay, now this is the chakli patra we require for preparing chakli. You get a small tool even in the market, but this is what I was gifted to me by my mother-in-law, and I use this for even that shave I had shown you all. I had used the same patra. Now what do we require here? We require a mold with this cut. This is called the chakli cut. Okay, if you are preparing shave which you get in the market, this is for the fine shave. It's just you have to keep this in it and fix it here. We're using a silicone sheet here. If you don't have this, you can take plastic sheets. It gets easy to transfer the chakli from the board to the frying pan. I had made 10 portions from the dough that I had mixed, the dough that I needed. From one portion of that I got 12 chaklis. So approximately I should get 120, more than 100 chaklis. I have taken one portion of the dough, put it inside here. Fine. Close this. I found taking the plate inside, you can maneuver the, see, maneuver. Now the edge, you just lightly press the edge here so it doesn't open while frying. Okay, now the next one. Okay, stop when you feel the size is okay. And the edge, just press the edge here lightly. So it's sealed. Fine. Let's check. Fine. So now let's start. They have just turned them now. See how they look nice and golden and crisp. What a feast. It's a fantastic snack, not only for Diwali, but we have it all throughout the year. And yes, but tea, or just like that, yummy snack to try. Do try this chaklis at home and give me your feedback. Okay, friends, it's time for me to say bye bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please share this video with your friends and ask them to subscribe to my channel. Bye, friends.